This is what I'll be showing you perfectly in this video. Please watch.
Buster, what on earth are you doing?
Now, I'm going to be showing you perfectly on how I do that video step by step. I'm going to be showing you how I got my ideas, how I convert the idea into scene, and from my scene to image, from my image to video prompts. All the prompts I use in getting this idea, getting the image, getting the video, I'm going to be dropping them in my comment section. All I need you to do is to request for the prompt. Just say I need a prompt. I'm going to send it to you. And also, I'm not only going to be teaching you how to create this video, I'm also going to be showing you how you can get background music, perfect music for such kind of video. Because if you're uploading your videos on most especially YouTube, you might get copyright if you are using background sound from CapCut. So make sure you watch this video to the end, like this video, share to your friends, and please make sure you subscribe to this video because I'm going to be dropping lots and lots more.
Yeah, welcome back to this tutorial. Every of the prompts that you see on my screen, I'm going to be dropping it on my in my comment section. So just request for it and I will send them to you, because I think there are about 3-4 prompts, so you can easily reframe them if you want, but you can still use it the way it is. So at this point, I was telling AI that I have an idea of an AI short film. So this was what I told it. Then I told it the process I wanted to follow, how to divide it into scenes and everything. You can see it on my screen, and I'm also going to be sending it to you in my comment section. So now it told me to share or to send the full idea. So I sent the idea. This is the idea, very short idea. Then it divided it into 6 scenes: first scene, second scene, third scene, fourth scene, fifth scene, and sixth scene. Now, after dividing into scene, I told it I want images. So this was the prompt I sent to it. Do not be scared. I'm going to just request I need the prompt. Just type I need the prompt in the comment section, and I'm going to send them to you. So this is the prompt I used in generating my image for this particular tutorial. So just request from the prompt. You can see how long my prompt is. I've always said this: if your prompt is not well detailed and perfect, AI will do something you don't like. So it gave me the very first image. I said next. It gave me the next one until it is complete, 6. So the next thing is to now convert the images into video. So this is another prompt I sent to it, converting it into the video. You can see that at this point I told it the character, it must state the character movements, the actions, the facial expressions, the body language, the camera movement, everything. So if you know how to speak to ChatGPT will give you best answer. So it began to give me the video. So I'll just copy this video prompt. I go to my VO3 because I use VO3. I go to my video prompt, and to my VO3 I'll attach the very first image. Then I'll put this prompt and it generates my video for me. And also, do not say you have the prompt already, you bring down this video, because when you begin to upload, either you're uploading on TikTok, YouTube, most especially YouTube, I'm going to be showing you how you can generate background music for your videos. Because if you go and begin to use background music either from CapCut or from online, you might get copyrighted, and that could destroy your channel or destroy your social media handle or your social media account. So now let's move straight. This is my video. This is the video prompt. I got about 6. Can you see? When you prompt ChatGPT well, just take a look at how long the prompt is alone. Can you see? This is just one prompt. Just one prompt. So if you speak to ChatGPT well, ChatGPT gives you the best answer for you. Now let me drop a prompt on how to get your background music. Hello, I want you to give me a professional and well detailed prompt for my well detailed background music prompt for my video that will be very perfect and not more than 1000 words. All right, so you have to make sure that the prompt for your music background is not more than 1000 words. So you send to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT gives you the background music prompts. Now you can see that ChatGPT has given me the background music prompts, but because of my professionalism of how I speak to ChatGPT, the prompt it gives me is just too long. Can you see? More than 1000 words. So I have to refine it and say make the prompt is too long. The prompt is too long. All right, without wasting much of your time, when you get the prompt, just copy the prompt and go to your Chrome browser. Go to your Chrome browser so that I will not keep you waiting. Then you search for Suno AI. Can you see? Suno.com. So you click on it, let it load. All right, if you've not used Suno AI before, all you need to do is just sign in with your email account. Nothing is going to happen to your email. Don't be scared, and don't go and begin to say you want to try to make payment. Don't try it. So all you need to do is to just log in or sign in with your email. That's all. Don't make any payment. So now you can see here where you have create. You can see here where you have create. Can you see it? Here where you have create. So you click on create. All right, now you can see where you have song description. So you just paste your song there and come to this place where you have create. Then you tap on create. Now this is the music I use for the video you've just watched on my screen. So this is the audio rather that I use. So you just generate your audio, and when your audio begins to play, you can see this place below where you have this 3 line. So you click on it, you're going to see download. So you download it from there, you save, and you move to your CapCut and you edit professionally. Now do not forget that when you come to CapCut, your AI video generator must have or might have done more than expected. So you have to edit it well. Where you have to cut off, where you need to cut off some places, please make sure you cut it off so that your video will be perfect. So now let me show you what I did here. This is my CapCut. Now you can see that at some points I broke this audio at this point. Why did I break it? Because the AI, my video was actually saying something at this point, so I have to reduce my volume. So you have to take note of some aspects. The audio that Suno AI has given you, don't just increase the volume to 1000, then it will now be louder than what the AI is saying. So where the AI spoke, you cut it, you reduce the volume. So now let me play for you to hear.
All units, suspect in aisle 4.
You see that the background sound actually came low and the voice came out well. Now also at the end I put what's it called?
You cannot be serious.
You know what it's called already. Memes. Is it memes or yeah, you know what it's called. So just go to your TikTok and download different kind of search this thing. Just go there and search for funny memes for your video. So you download funny memes on your video for your video, then you make use of it.
Thank you for watching. Keep building and keep winning. Bye bye.